Here's a pair of the JLab Go Air Pop earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So take the earbuds out of the case. And we'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of the earbuds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So just wait a few seconds. Okay, I get nothing on here. The reason why I'm not getting nothing on here is because I'm actually connected to a different device. So I'm connected to my iPhone right now, okay? I gotta turn the Bluetooth off to put these into pairing mode, okay? You can see they're connected right here. So as soon as I turn Bluetooth off, now look at the earbuds. You get one of them blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. Now it's in pairing mode. Let's go to our Android phone here. Go to your Bluetooth settings. So we're gonna go to settings, go to connections, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, tap on Bluetooth. And then you can see that little spinny thing, and under here in available devices, it's searching for devices that is in pairing mode near me. Okay, so these are in pairing mode. I do see the AirPop right here. Let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request for Android phones. Tap on pair. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you still had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.